Hey, what's going on, everybody? Got the old Mongo Man here, and what you're going to watch in this video is last night, Brad, Kenny, and I messed around with his 81 Ford for a little bit there, the F-350 cab chassis truck. Got it running, but it's not quite yet where we want it to be. So, check it out.
All right,
Ready, Jay?
real quick.
Yeah.
Do. Yeah, bless you. Flame. The gauges work? It has oil pressure, I know that. Right. Good?
Yep.
They start to paddle over again.
Try it. Try it.
Probably 180 out. That's close there.
Try it. Try it.
What?
Go.
Hold. Bring that up again, bro.
It's crazy that it does it more power in the right time.
Right. She wants to go. Right. She'll run, by golly. That's right.
More gasoline. No.
There's Kenny filling up our fuel jug again. Out here in the dark. Some of our best work gets done in the dark.
I think you're good.
Oh, we are filling this thing to the
Yeah,
top.
that's to the top.
I want to hear this thing run.
Run, run. I don't. The engine. All right, go ahead and crank out that door.
I would. I ain't got no cranking power though.
The solenoid fell out from under the ground wire over there. See it, bro? Stick the solenoid back under the ground wire on the battery. One of the the metal parts. Just stick it up under there. There you go.
You could just clamp it there with the.
There you go.
You ready?
I've been waiting, brother. Yeah, full pressure and everything. Oh, that is good. And the carb's out of fuel again.
You got good oil pressure.
And the carb's out of fuel again. All right, so what you saw was us getting that thing running. Now the plan is to make it turnkey, and once we get it turnkey and running under its own power without having to feed it gasoline like that, we can park that thing. We can park that thing until it's ready to be put back together. So, all right, that's all. Hope you enjoyed the movie, and we'll talk to you guys later. See you later.